What is going on, guys? So today I got a super quick video, and it is how to make your rounds longer in a private lobby in CS2. So I'm in a lobby with my friend here. He's on the other team, and you see the time taken down on the top right there, 33, 32, 31. So time's taken down. I want to have a lot of time to be able to mess around with the console, do a lot of things. How do I do this? So first things first, open the console. So press the tilde key in the top left-hand corner of your keyboard. And then the command you're going to want to do is np underscore round time underscore diffuse and set it to something like 60. Now I'll go into this more, but first let's restart the game so we can see the effects happen. So the command is np underscore restart game space 1. And I did that quick because you heard the time taken down there. I didn't want the round to restart and for me to have to do this all over again. So now we'll be able to see that the round will be 60 minutes. And I'll go into commands that are for non-bomb defusal game modes, because you can play hostage, you can play a few other things in this game. So as you can see now, we have 60 minutes on the clock. So going back to the console, if you press up on your keyboard, it brings you your recent command, and if you press up again, you can keep going back in your history. So what did we type first? We typed in np underscore round time underscore diffuse 60. Now, if you're not playing a bomb defusal game mode, you don't have to type in this diffuse command here. You can just get rid of it and type in np underscore round time 60. So that'll do it for hostage game modes. For anything else that's not bomb defusal, I can't really think off the top because CS2 removes so much. Maybe team deathmatch. Yeah, that's right. Anyways, so you would hit this and then you would do np underscore restart game 1 because you have to restart it for the rounds to take effect. And yeah, that's pretty much all this is. This is how you get more time in your game. And yeah, let's just let these changes take effect. But by default, if you want to turn it back, pressing up on the command line again, I think the default value is 1.92. So if we do that, actually let's cycle back. Yep, I did this before, 1.92. So if you ever want to set it back to default, just do that and you'll be good. So that's it, guys. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.